Hello everyone, welcome to Rachna's Fitness Show. I'm your host Rachna. The show is all about getting you off the couch and getting you working out. हमारा स्टूडियो का नंबर है 4089125565. Again, the number if you have a question about your exercise, nutrition, weight loss, weight gain, or in general about something in terms of course, weight loss or a health condition, in terms of, eating right, exercising right, आप definitely call कर सकते हैं. I'll be happy to take your call and definitely help you as much as I can. हमारा स्टूडियो का नंबर है 4089125565. Again, आप सुन रहे हैं रचना को Rachna's Fitness Show. We've been doing this for close to 7 years now. Coming every Wednesday from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, taking live calls. We talk about health, nutrition, fitness. I'm the owner of Rachna's Wellness. That was started close to about 11 years ago here in Sunnyvale Bay Area. And हमारे जितने भी programs होते हैं, they're all geared towards, of course, making you fit. A lot of weight loss programs, a lot of specialized weight loss programs. Just to name, we have a special program called post-pregnancy weight loss program. We also have pre-pregnancy weight loss programs. Then we also have teenager kids program. Then we also have different levels of abs program. That means if you're really looking to cut off a lot of inches and get a flatter stomach and really get those nice and toned abs. We also have just abs level 1, level 2. We also have complete weight loss programs. We have strength training programs, toning up programs. So again, based upon your goals, I'll be happy to talk to you to see exactly what you're looking to achieve and then recommend you a program accordingly. हमें टू गेट इन टच विद अस आप हमें डेफिनेटली हमारी वेबसाइट के थ्रू कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं या फिर ऑफ कोर्स कॉल भी कर सकते हैं. वेबसाइट इज़ rachnaradio.com, RACHNA, rachnaradio.com. The phone number to get in touch with us is 408-320-8111, 408-320-8111. Again, the programs are different kind of programs. We have complete 3-month courses. We also have a 30-day fitness challenge. A lot of our programs, in fact, all of the programs can absolutely be done remotely. So if you are listening to one of my programs or our radio shows right now, and then you do not live local in the area, living in for a different state or a different country, you're definitely welcome to give us a call or send us an email. I'll be happy to give you information to see which program works best for you. But again, SARE programs can absolutely be done remotely. That means from wherever you are, you will definitely never have to come to the center. Again, I'd love to see you if you are local. But again, there are specialized programs created for people who do not live local, especially the 30-day fitness challenge is a complete program specially designed for people who are not local. So it's not something that would be done for people who are local. It's all done for people who are actually different areas or do not live close to my center. So again, the different programs to get started, to get information, phone number to get in touch with us is 408-320-8111. Information about how we design the programs, of course, it's all about being healthy. It's all about doing things the right way. It's all about making, good, healthy choices. It's all about living life that way. So I'm not going to put you on any crazy diets. I'm not going to put you on any medications or pills or diet pills. It's all about making a lot of healthy changes so that you are a different person. And that's something I've been telling for a long, long, long time to people. And I think that applies to your family. And something specifically I wanted to bring up and talk to you about is it's about kids, and that's something I've noticed in the last, couple weeks, just because a lot of kids are off, and it's just that a lot of the kids don't have the energy nowadays, and it just makes me maybe sad or also annoyed at times that why. One strange thing that I've noticed is I wanted to point out is that kids are getting very tired easily, and what's even wrong many times are parents. Again, please don't take it personally. Not everyone, does that. But I've seen a lot of parents who back or who support their kids if they're feeling weak, saying, my kid is feeling weak, वो नहीं कर सकता, उनको हम कैसे कराएंगे, they're just tired all the time. You have to push your kids. I mean, you just cannot let it go. When it comes to पढ़ाई के बारे में आते हैं, हम लोग उनको push करते हैं. But जहाँ fitness की बात आती है, we just kind of let them go the easy route and say, that's okay, just sit home, be on the iPad. If you don't have energy, up tired, that's okay. I'll just make food for you. I'll just make you comfortable. But that is not the right way. I mean, this is not how it's supposed to be. Okay, and I'm talking as kids as old, as small as 5 to 6 years old, right? I remember as a kid never being physically ever tired. We as kids slept when we were sleepy, and when we were up, full of energy. ये जो knee pain हो रही है बच्चों को, I've heard a lot of kids, complain knee pain हो रही है, back pain हो रही है, soreness हो गई. I mean, there's something wrong with that. We didn't have aches and pains, never. But kids nowadays are so tired. They spend so much time on all the tablets and iPads and whatnot, watching videos all the time. Okay, अगर आप उनको बोलो बहुत को, again not for every person, काफ़ी बच्चों का बोलोगे कि बाहर जाके let's say you want to go and ride a bike or something, like I would rather sit home, it's too hot size. I mean, come on kids, you need to be out there, this is just not right, running around the park with the kids and they get tired. Again, please listen to me, if your kids are getting tired doing regular kid activities, there is something wrong. You need to switch off the TV, the iPad, the laptops and go outside with your kids. It is easily remedied. बहुत आसान है इसको आप ठीक करना, मगर it's very easy also to give in, saying वो बस tired होते हैं आजकल, it's just नहीं हमारा बच्चा tired होता है, I can make them do it, and especially अगर कोई workout class attend करने, let's say a teenager girl is going to attend like a workout session or something, she's getting tired, okay, she's getting tired, big deal, make her strong. You cannot just let her back off, that's just not the right thing to do at all. Okay, but again, if you're not going to fix this problem, you're giving them a lifetime of disease, obesity, doctor visits, and not being able to enjoy the life the fullest because उनका energy नहीं, उनके अंदर stamina नहीं है. There's a lot of things you need to get it checked. First of all, अपने kids का vitamin D level check कराओ, उनके बी कॉम्प्लेक्स उनको पता चले, उनका विटामिन का बी कॉम्प्लेक्स उनकी बॉडी में लो नहीं है, उनकी विटामिन डी लो नहीं है. देयर इज सम रीज़न दैट द किड्स आर फीलिंग टायर्ड. आई मीन इट्स नॉट नॉर्मल, आई मीन दैट्स जस्ट नॉट, क्योंकि हमारा मेटाबॉलिज्म बहुत हाई होता है बचपन में. सो देयर इज़ नो रीज़न अनलेस देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्पेसिफिक थिंग विच कुड बी ईजिली क्योर्ड, बट stamina low is just a wrong thing to happen for kids especially. Okay, so like I said, again, let me make it clear. If your kids stay indoors most of the days, fix it. If your kids prefer to stay indoors, fix it. Send them out to play. Forget about setting, again, I know a lot of people do these very organized play dates कि घर में जाके थोड़ी देर खेलेंगे, play dates होंगी, या फिर आजकल बहुत सारे, there are a lot of play centers बन गए हैं. You just go, take your kid in one of those indoor things and they just go, do something, whatever. Fine. But I would say keep it simple. All you could do sometimes is take a bunch of the kids, get a couple, जितने भी आपके बच्चे हैं, but get some other kids from the neighborhood or whatever that the kids like to play with. Take them to a park, let them run around, take balls, take toys, whatever it is. Let them figure it out. They'll have fun. That's it. That's all they need. You really don't need a lot of these organized, play dates all the time. All they need is just random play, just playtime. That's all. Even if you think your kid is too brainy and will do better in life being smarter than stronger, remember your kids may have money when they grow up, but they will not have health and ultimate happiness if they're not fit. अगर उनका stamina होगा, I mean, this is just a start, right? When they go off to college, they go live in a dorm or in a with a friend or something. At that time, if they're tired, they're going to be tired, and that's when weight gain or weight is going to start creeping up. It will definitely start creeping up because they don't have stamina. वो बस पढ़ाई में उनका दिमाग जाएगा, उनका पढ़ाई में दिमाग जाएगा. They're going to start gaining weight, and that's when a lot of people then start freaking out. I have a daughter, I have a son. They're starting to gain weight. They just went off to college. What's going on? Because something wrong that maybe we did too. Again, not every person, but high probability there's something wrong. You did it when the kids were home. You just did not teach them fitness. You thought it was an easy thing. जब बड़े होंगे अपने आप हो जाएगा, but no, it's a way of living life. Again, you have to set an example by doing it yourself. If you are the person who's always tired, if you're the person who's never exercised, if you're the person you've ate, chole bhature every single day, I mean, how do you expect your kids to go and live off, by themselves whenever they go off to college and just be healthy at that time? You didn't teach them that. They're not going to do it. Okay, so again, studio number 408-912-5565. Again, 408-912-5565. We'd love to take your calls if you have a question, exercise, nutrition के बारे में, या फिर in general, you want to share some interesting, again, some motivation in terms of exercise, fitness, weight loss. Love to hear your story. Phone number to give us a call is 408-912-5565. आप सुन रहे हैं Rashna को Rashna's Fitness Show पे. Do come every Wednesday between 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. We do take your live calls, and we do have complete weight loss programs for all different people, different age groups, older people, younger people, teenager people, men, women, kids. Of course, they're all in terms of healthy. It's not about just only exercising. It's not about only eating. It's about a good combination of just being a healthy person. So the weight just comes off. Weight just starts to come off. Your energy level goes higher. And I've had a lot of people. I'm very proud to say that on air. I've had a lot of people who've done my courses, and they had to stop taking any of the medications, or had is the wrong word to use, but they didn't have to take medications anymore. And that could be a medication of diabetes, that could be cholesterol medication, triglyceride medications, or a bunch of blood pressure medications. So a lot of people done my courses have, just no more medications anymore. So if you're looking for kind of these results, you're definitely welcome to give me a call. Or in general, it's time for you to think about yourself. It's time for you so you could get fit. It's time for you so that you could spend some time on yourself, couple hours a week. Trust me, everyone can find 30 minutes in a day for yourself. Every person can. If you can't, then you just need to better manage your time. There's something wrong with your time management. You're just letting all the stuff crawl into your life without focusing on yourself. The weight, trust me, I honestly, I don't think there's any person out in the world who's heavier and health conditions are degrading and they've never thought about it. They have. They're just running away from it, and it's simple as that. कई लोग बस अपना weight check करना बंद कर देते हैं कि whatever बढ़ रहा है क्यों check करके guilty होंगे. So yeah, the reason these people are not checking the weight, because yes, they're feeling bad about it. It's not that they don't care about it. I honestly don't think there's even one single person out there जिनका weight ज़्यादा है, health conditions हैं और वो बस फ़र्क नहीं उनको पड़ रहा. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. हर इंसान को फ़र्क पड़ रहा है. वो बस for whatever reason या तो आंखें बंद कर रहे हैं, इग्नोर कर रहे हैं, या कह रहे हैं who cares, I'm just going to enjoy my life right now. They're just faking it, because it is definitely going to come down to them one of these days. So again, if you are not a person like those and you are thinking about health and fitness, kudos to you, because that is exactly the way to live life, is be happy, be fit, and enjoy every single moment of life, so that you don't have to say I'm tired. Stamina नहीं है, कुछ गलत है, नीज में दर्द हो रही है, या फिर another thing that always comes to my mind, I've seen so many of these scenarios where just a simple tripping of the foot, maybe on a carpet, or just basic, that's all. You're walking on a carpet और चलते चलते थोड़ा सा पैर मुड़ गया, and it's taking you 2 years to heal that thing. Why? Such a weak bone structure, muscle structure. Why is it taking you 2 years to heal something that you were walking on a just carpet and बस पैर मुड़ गया थोड़ा सा? This is something it should be healed maybe just the next morning, and let's give it a week. Why are the muscles that you have in the body so weak? Why is your skeletal system so weak कि उसको 2 साल लग रहे heal होने में, just a little trip? We're not talking about a big fracture or something. First of all, fracture तो होना भी नहीं चाहिए ऐसी चीज़ों से. Your bone should be strong. Why do they crack up so fast? So again, please make your body stronger. Get your vitamin D level higher. Start taking a vitamin D, not necessarily calcium all the time. It's just that when the body is not enough high in vitamin D, your body does not absorb enough calcium. So a lot of people make a mistake कि वो जैसे ही पता चलता है कि हमारी bones weak है, फटाक से calcium खाना पड़ता है बहुत सारा. That's just not the requirement. All you need to do is get your vitamin D tested. If your vitamin Ds are at least about 40 plus, your body is going to absorb the appropriate kind of calcium that you eat from the food already. You honestly do not need any more calcium per day. Okay, so again, studio number 408-912-5565. If you're interested in enrolling in a complete weight loss program, we do have a 3-month weight loss program for men and women called Just Abs starting this Sunday. So again, we do have a complete 3-month weight loss program, starts this Sunday for men and women. It's called Just Abs. If you're interested in enrolling, getting information, we'd love to talk to you and explain you the program accordingly. Again, it could be done absolutely remotely also, or of course you can come to the center physically. And again, the schedule could be worked around based upon your schedule, but again, the program is starting this weekend. To get registered, to come and talk to me, the phone number is 408-320-8111, 408-320-8111. You can also get information to contact me, or the address or some details about all of our programs from our website, rachnaradio.com, RACHNA, rachnaradio.com. Please also go check us out on Facebook, facebook.com/rachnaradio. Go like our page, and you'll find a lot of my videos. I do have a video channel on YouTube called Rachna's Wellness, where I do post a lot of videos for eating, nutrition, healthy cooking, and whatnot. So go check those out. Haven't done that for the last couple of weeks because I was busy making a lot of other videos, but a lot of workout videos. But again, I will be back doing those just by this weekend. So should probably start seeing a lot of more videos coming in. So again, on YouTube, pe jaake go find Rachna's Wellness. There's a channel, and I do post all of these videos on my Facebook page. Also, again, facebook.com/RachnaRadio. Okay, so we talked about kids. In fact, since we're talking about vitamin D, let's go and talk about vitamin D a little bit more. Since we just kind of touched a little bit on vitamin D, is if you're feeling weak, agar aapka stamina low hai, the first thing you want to make sure that you go ask your doctor. And many times, many times than normal. I've seen a lot of times that doctors are not recommending vitamin D tests. Some are, but I've seen a lot of times doctors are not recommending vitamin D tests for whatever reason, which of course I kind of know the reason why, but not going to mention again right now. But again, please ask it. If your doctor is not asking you to or not recommending you to get your vitamin D test of all the tests that you're getting done, please ask them, do you want to get your vitamin D tested? And if it's anything lower than 40, 35 or 40, you need to start taking vitamin D supplements. It's very easy. You need about anywhere between 2,000 to 4,000 IU a day of vitamin D, along with, of course, vitamin K2, which I've always recommended. And give it about a couple months. Trust me, it will get to 40 plus, and you'll start seeing amazing changes. आपका एनर्जी लेवल बढ़ेगा, आपकी एलर्जीज बहुत कम हो जाएंगी, आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म बढ़ेगा, वेट लॉस आसान हो जाएगा होना. Everything that you were doing, you'll just start feeling way more energetic. As simple as that. Okay, so again, in fact, let's talk about a little bit on vitamin D since we're touching on vitamin D right now. Even Britain, they've advised that everyone needs to start taking vitamin D. If I told you, if I put it that way, first of all, vitamin D is such a powerful cancer prevention strategy. If I told you that there was something that you could do to cut your risk of cancer by at least 60 or 70%, any kind of cancer, and I'm kind of being conservative by saying 60, 70%. I could take this number higher, but I'm just going to, let's say, stick to 60, 70%. So if I told you there's something that you could do very easily, and you could pretty much cut your risk of any kind of cancer by 60 to 70%, and it's not going to cost you pretty much nothing, would you do it? A lot of people would, okay? Well, it is. It is called vitamin D or sun exposure. Of course, we really can't be in the sun all the time just because living, of course, in California, हमारी wavelength भी यहाँ की वो नहीं है to absorb it the right way. So vitamin D supplement is kind of a key. But modern living जो हमारी आजकल has first of all reduced sun's exposure so much to the point that vast majority of the population, in majority of the countries are now vitamin D deficient. Okay, it is getting so common, and that's the reason it is called a sunshine vitamin. So you want to make sure that you start getting your vitamin D. First of all, the first is to get it tested. उसके बाद अपना number बढ़ाएं vitamin D का. Causes of vitamin D क्या deficiency के हो सकते हैं? Like I said, a lot of people are just not spending enough time in sun anymore. And also, you don't consume the recommended dose of vitamin D. Food में हमारे food में उतना vitamin D नहीं है. There are only some things that have some vitamin D, maybe mushrooms, fortified, अगर आप milk लोगे उसके अंदर extra vitamin D होता है, but it's still just a couple hundred IUs. It's not at all to a level. So if you think कि हम अपना खाना खाते हैं, fruits खाते हैं, vegetables खाते हैं, थोड़ा सा sun में जाते हैं, you're probably still not getting what you need. Again, carrot tested, that's the only way you'll know, but a lot of people just by doing these basic things nowadays, we're not getting it to at least about 40 plus. It's just not happening. So you want to make sure that you increase your vitamin D. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to go a little bit more detail about vitamin D. I know I'll probably pick up this topic some other week. Of course, I think the vitamin D is such a strong topic that I know I've talked about in the past, but I'll probably touch back again some other time because I know a lot of people have been asking to redo a show on vitamin D again. I'll probably do it again in a couple of weeks, but I'm going to leave it at that as of now. So again, studio number 408-912-5565. If you have a weight loss goal, maybe a strength training goal, or if you have a goal that you're looking to lose specific amount of weight or specific amount of inches or fit into a specific kind of a dress size, waist, pant size, आप हमें अभी first of all रेडियो शो पे कॉल कर सकते हैं. I'll be happy to see exactly आप क्या कर रहे हो, क्या गलत कर रहे हो, क्या ठीक कर सकते हो. हमारा अभी स्टूडियो का नंबर है मुझसे अभी बात करने के लिए 408-912-5565, 408-912-5565. And to be in touch with us, to get the weight off, to register in any of our complete courses, you're welcome to give us a call. Phone number is 408-320-8111, 408-320-8111. Contact information is all on the website, rachnaradio.com. If you forget it, you can just go and Google and type Rachna's Wellness Center, Rachna's Wellness, and it should come up. The again website is rachnaradio.com. You can also contact us through my Facebook page, facebook.com/RachnaRadio. RACHNA, RADIO, Rachna Radio. Okay, let's see. In fact, there's something interesting I was reading recently. It was a news. I wanted to share that with you. Is just because of the summer season, a lot of people it's very healthy. First of all, I know I've recommended this to you many times कि बहुत आसान है, अंदर बैठ के खाना बहुत ज़्यादा खा हो जाता है, कई बार करीज खाते हैं, so go and put stuff on barbecue and grill it and whatnot. So we've talked about many times, but there are some a lot of the research studies have been coming out recently saying, which I'll get to that in just a second, but like I said, it's especially I think after Memorial Day, you know, living in this country especially, क्योंकि अच्छी गर्मी आती है, so it's very common, that's kind of the start of outdoor grilling season. Perfect weather, good friends, outdoor barbecue grill अगर आपके घर में है, it's kind of just a recipe for one of the joys of summertime, and nice, yes it is nice. But a lot of research, and again, I'm not saying anything negative about it, so I'm going to give you a bunch of ideas how to reduce that, okay? But again, a lot of research has been pointing to grilling and barbecuing meat, especially, vegetables also a little, but especially meat, as one of the ways of ingesting a lot of cancer-causing chemicals. So if you grill or barbecue meat quite a bit, it's a way of ingesting a lot of cancer-causing chemicals, which means there are ways of enjoying your summer grilling that reduces those side effects or these wrong chemicals जो अब हमारे खाने में produce होते हैं grill करने से. And so I'm going to get to that and talk about that. Like I said, I think Memorial Day ke baad a lot of grilling season just because the weather opens up, you know, kids playing outside in a backyard, you put stuff on the barbecue grill, healthier, you know, of course, it's always been considered to be more healthier. But like I said, that temperature, you know, and so let me first of all talk about, it's all about chemistry if I put it that way, right? Cooking, everyone knows that. Cooking is a form of chemistry, right? हम एक ही चीज़ को अलग-अलग वे से कुक करके उसका फ्लेवर अलग क्यों हो सकता है? क्योंकि उसके अंदर जो केमिकल्स थे उनका रिएक्शन अलग वे से हुआ है, नाउ दे टेस्ट डिफरेंट. ओके, सो लेट्स से आपने एक पीस ऑफ चिकन को बेक किया, या फिर आपने एक पीस ऑफ चिकन को सॉटे किया, या फिर आपने स्टीम किया, या फिर आपने ग्रिल किया, या फिर आपने तंदूर में किया. ऑल ऑफ देम टेस्ट क्वाइट अ बिट डिफरेंट. इट्स द सेम पीस ऑफ चिकन, व्हाई आर दे ऑल टेस्टिंग सो मच डिफरेंट? जस्ट बिकॉज हमारे हर खाने के अंदर बहुत सारे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं. जब आप उनको एक टेम्परेचर के अराउंड जाते हैं, अराउंड ऑल्सो लॉन्ग विद उसके ऊपर क्या ग्रिल मैरिनेट लगा है, क्या लगा है, इट गोज थ्रू केमिकल रिएक्शन. सो लाइक आई सेड, कुकिंग इज केमिस्ट्री. सो व्हेन वी अप्लाई हीट टू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड मटेरियल, इन जनरल मटेरियल जिसको मैटर कहा जाता है, या फूड इज यू नो ऑफ कोर्स मेड ऑफ मैटर, यू गेट अ केमिकल रिएक्शन which is either pleasing or distasteful, okay? And that is what burnt meat does. चेंज क्या हो गया उसके अंदर, बट केमिकल रिएक्शन हो गया. जो केमिकल्स हैं इतने ज़्यादा पावरफुल हो गए हैं, then now they taste bad. Okay, so meat, vegetables, fruits, all of them. Meat more, like I said, but vegetables and fruits too, they all go through a unique process specific to the chemicals and nutrients found in that food. So specific the chemicals and the nutrients, whatever found in that food, so when you put them on a specific temperature or raise or increase them at a specific temperature, they go through chemical reaction. And that's one of the reasons different types of cooking processes, same food, produce different types of chemical reactions and hence different tastes. That is why foods cooked in the oven, like I said, are going to taste different than doing sorted on the stove or grilled over an open flame. And of course, the addition of spices and the marinades, हम किस तरह का स्पाइस डाला, किस तरह का मैरिनेट डाला, also changes the chemicals present during the cooking process, and therefore the chemical reactions occur while you cook. But if not done right, again, yes, I know grilling is healthier than many of the other options, making curries and whatnot, but like I said, if grilling not done right, it can produce a lot of cancer-causing chemicals, and especially if you're spending at least a couple days in a week always grilling, very important for you to pay attention to all these things that I'm going to be mentioning soon. Okay, I'm not going to explain you more detail about the chemicals. I'll quickly name them. Pretty much there are three important chemicals that potentially are produced during grilling processes. I won't give you, it's just complicated to understand, but typically HCA होता है जिसको heterocyclic amines कहा जाता है. HCA है, AGE है, PH. I'm not going to go into detail, but they're pretty much, if I put it this way, there are 3 or 4 different kind of chemicals that start to happen in the food when you grill them. Okay, mostly these chemicals are found in muscle meat when it's cooked at high temperature. The amount of these chemicals is also dependent on the type of meat, okay, how well it's cooked, and what is the temperature used to cook the meat. So let's say you go to a restaurant, you eat a piece of steak. हमसे पूछा जाता है, do you want to eat it, do you want it red, do you want a medium well done, or absolutely well done, so the difference. So that means the temperature उसका change किया जा रहा है, right? So that's pretty much it. So like I said, the amount of these chemicals आपके खाने के अंदर कितने produce होंगे उसको grill करने से also depends upon, first of all the marinade, आपने क्या उसके ऊपर लगाया, which I will get to a bunch of really good things for you कि उनको लगाने से ये chemicals बहुत कम produce होते हैं, which we'll get to that in just a second. But typically it's आपने like I said क्या temperature पे cook किया उसको and उसको कितना well cook किया है, right? So how well is the meat cooked? For example, researchers have found that well-done meat has 3.5 times more chemicals than medium rare meat. So well-done meat has 3.5 times more chemicals, which are the cancer-causing chemicals, than medium rare meat. And again to mention, your body does not get rid or digest these chemicals. They just don't. They instead are stored in the organs and over time can cause damage. So that means all the more reason for you to pay attention to all the points I'll be mentioning. Okay. In fact, some of the last one, like I mentioned, 3 तरह की चीज़ें होती है, एक उसको pH कहा जाता है, last one, they're not even a part of the meat. They start to happen smoke में. जब आप wood को बहुत गर्म करते हो, गैस को या गैस barbecue है, या wood है, या coal है, fire के ऊपर कर रहे हो, so it's a compound जो smoke create करता है, उसके अंदर जो compound होता है, it sticks to anything. So that means the person who's grilling behind the barbecue, he's more prone to getting these chemicals because it's right behind the barbecue. You know, these are chemicals, just smoke hoti, it goes around all over. So it's going to get to the person who's grilling behind the barbecue. So I would suggest person who is grilling behind the barbecue, just put the thing and then come off. Don't just stand there for the good 30-40 minutes grilling behind the barbecue. I know it's, you know, sometimes good to look at, but like I said, you're inhaling most of the smoke that's getting right over there. So move a little bit away from the barbecue and don't just stand right behind it while you're grilling for good 30-40 minutes or even longer. Okay. What else? Okay, so that's that. Now let's go and talk about tips for safer grilling. Tips for safer grilling. Okay. Okay, so phone number again, सूर्य का दे दिया आपको 408-912-5565. आप कॉल कर सकते हैं क्वेश्चन अगर आपको क्वेश्चन है एक्सरसाइज या न्यूट्रिशन या हमारे टॉपिक से रिलेटेड, हम आपके I'll be happy to take a call live on air and get a question answered. 408-912-5565. And if you're interested in being a part of any weight loss programs, we do offer complete weight loss programs where I'm going to change you and make you into a different person. And that is definitely my promise to you. As long as you are listening to me, being at least a part of the program, and of course, following everything that I'm guiding you, teaching you. But again, the way I guide and teach is I'm going to make it happen just because you're going to enjoy the process. You know, it's very easy to follow things जब वो enjoyment होती है, right? You know, it's just because हमें I think बचपन से काफ़ी लोगों को सिखाया जाता है कि workout is or not सिखाया जाता है. It's just a thing that a lot of people think कि eating healthy या exercise करना वो करना पड़ेगा. जब वो thought दिमाग में आता है, then it's something wrong. Imagine you start enjoying the process. Eating healthy के बाद आपको एक अलग सी satisfaction होगी. You'll just feel amazing. It's going to be addicted. It is going to be addiction. And the way of living life is going to be addiction. So imagine that's exactly what I do people at my center. I make them addicted to exercising, make them addicted to eating healthy, that it's just their way of living now. And it's so easy for you to follow when you're enjoying a process. So again, if you're interested in a complete weight loss program, we do have a complete 3-month weight loss program called Just Abs. Starting this weekend for men and women both. You're welcome to give me a call. I'll be happy to give you more details, get you registered, or if you want to come and meet me before the program starts, give me a call. I'll be happy to set up a time, or we can always talk over the phone. Again, the program Just Abs Level 1 is starting this weekend. To get registered, come and talk to me. Phone number is 408-320-8111, 408-320-8111. वेबसाइट के थ्रू भी आप कॉन्टैक्ट करने की इन्फॉर्मेशन ढूंढ सकते हैं हमें rachnaradio.com, RACHNA rachnaradio.com. Again, to mention, all of our programs, even this complete 3-month weight loss program, can absolutely be done remotely. So if you do not live close to my center, you are listening to my show for somewhere else, but you really want to be a part of this program and lose a lot of weight and inches, you're definitely welcome to be a part of the program. Absolutely, remotely, सारे programs होते हैं. आपको classes आप attend करेंगे, आपको meal plans मिलेंगे, आप हमसे coaching लेंगे, but it's going to be all from the comfort of your home. Okay, so again, phone number to get registered, come and talk to me for this weekend program. Just Abs starts this weekend, 408-320-8111. You can also find Rachna's Wellness on Google or internet and contact us through that way also. Okay, so we were talking about grilling, so let's go talk about tips for safer grilling. Okay, like I mentioned, grilling is healthier, you know, sometimes a lot of the fat drips out. It's just a healthier option than make curries, and also it's a good option to be just outside with the kids and just enjoying the backyard or the front yard or whatever that you are grilling. But at the same time, you have to be a little bit careful about grilling just because the temperature increases to a little bit different way. Heat is different. So कई बार बहुत सारे chemicals produce होते हैं which are cancer causing chemicals. So all I'm talking about is tips for safer grilling. Okay. So you can make some changes to reduce your potential of ingesting these high level of bad chemicals. Okay, first of all, various herbs and spices. By adding them to your let's say आप एक burger बना रहे हो या chicken patties बना रहे हो या किसी तरह का meat बना रहे हो, using them as a rub, you can decrease the risk associated with grilling. And as per research, I've in fact found these good 7 or 8 things that have worked really good. And cherries. Now I know how you're going to use cherries, but cherries is something once put on any kind of meat, जो chemicals उसके अंदर create हो रहे हैं वो बहुत कम हो जाते हैं. First of all, cherries are very high in antioxidants. It probably cancels it out. Rosemary does the same thing. Mustard does the same thing. And let's say apple cider vinegar does the same thing. Black pepper, I think some of these we already use them, especially in our desi cooking. Garlic, cinnamon, paprika, onions, apples, oregano, ginger. So these 9 or 7 or 8 things that I mentioned are really good to reduce a lot of these cancer-causing chemicals that might happen just because, first of all, I think the reason this helps is because these all things are very high source of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and they just help to maybe cancel out the things. But again, try applying all of these things to your meat or whatever that you're grilling so that you could potentially reduce the side effects of all the cancer-causing chemicals that are happening there. So that was the first tip for safer grilling. The next one is trim the fat. Okay. Normally I do say eat the fat, it's good for you and whatnot, but especially when you're barbecuing, and I'll give you a reason why, try to trim off the fat. When the fat drips to the open flame or on जो भी आपकी grill का है, it flares up or actually can flare up way more chemicals onto your clothing and also onto your food. Okay, so if you grill कर रहे हो, possibly don't just put a full fat piece of whatever meat it is. Try to trim off the fat, and that's a very easy way because fat बहुत जल्दी melt होके grill पे गिर जाएगा, which is good. Okay, and that's when a lot of people think, okay, it just loses the fat, it's healthy for you, which is healthy, but that fat is now going to create a lot of smoke back on the food. So possibly grill पे डालने से पहले trim the fat off. Okay, which means remove the skin from the chicken, trim the fat if you eat steaks, trim the fat from the steak, skip the fatty sausages and ribs and go just all that real fatty stuff, don't put on the grill possibly. Choose leaner cuts of meat for the grill, especially for the grill. Okay. Especially those crisscross जब grill marks की बात करते हैं, a lot of people do whatever crazy stuff to get those grill marks because they look amazing on grilled food, are just another indication of a lot of buildup of these chemicals right at that spots because वहाँ पर heat ज़्यादा पहुँची, जहाँ heat ज़्यादा जाएगी, सबसे ज़्यादा जाएगी, वहीं पे सब सारे chemicals create होंगे. Okay, so instead flip the meat frequently at lower temperatures. Cook the meat using indirect heat, maybe not directly flame के ऊपर मत रखें, maybe use a pan or a pot or something. So don't put it directly on the grill if possible. Okay, again to reduce the amount of these chemicals, choose a medium cooked meat. Don't, like I mentioned, जितना overcook करेंगे उसके अंदर ज़्यादा chemicals होंगे, so don't overcook your meat when you're putting on the grill. Use a meat thermometer. I think that's one of the best ways to check it. Basically, if you're cooking steak, let's say 145 degrees is what we're looking at, right within the center without touching the bone. Hamburgers बना रहे हैं तो maybe at 160. Chicken is 165. So again, steak is about 145 to be on the safer side, cooks nice and well. Hamburgers about 160, chicken about 165 Fahrenheit. Okay, all you do is you place the thermometer in the center of the meat, kind of away from the bone, and that's when you get the temperature. If it's cooking to that temperature, well done. Just one medium well done, that's when you possibly take it out. Okay, again, tips for safer grilling. The next one is a very special mixture that I've found online. A lot of different things, and I wanted to share with you. I'm going to probably start using it. A mixture of 1 part of lemon juice to 2 parts of onion and garlic. So 1 part of lemon juice to 2 parts of onion and garlic was found to reduce the production of a lot of these bad chemicals. So mixture of 1 part of lemon juice to 2 parts of onion and garlic का rub या marinade बना के अगर आप meat पे लगाएंगे, or in fact not even meat पे, vegetables पे लगाएंगे, it reduces the production of a lot of these chemicals. Avoid barbecue sauces. क्यों? Because especially tomato and sugar-based sauces, especially, and mostly a lot of these barbecue sauces have a lot of sugar in them. It will double and also triple your ingestion of toxic chemicals just after 10 to 15 minutes of cooking. Because sugar है, शुगर बहुत जल्दी बर्न होती है, तो टेम्परेचर मीट का बहुत जल्दी बढ़ेगा, तो आपके जो केमिकल्स हैं आपके फूड के अंदर बहुत होंगे. सो ट्राई पॉसिबली अवॉइड एनी ऑफ दीज बारबेक्यू सॉसेज जो जिनके अंदर चीनी है और केचप और सॉस बेस्ड ऑफ टोमेटो बेस्ड ऑफ सॉसेज, because their high sugar content is going to let it heat up really fast. That means it's going to create a lot of chemicals. So like I said, just stick to lemon juice. Don't use those barbecue sauces. Lemon juice, onion and garlic, and that's the safer route to go. Another one that I found out is pretty cool. In fact, it tastes very nice. So darker beer. अगर आप देखिए जितनी ज़्यादा डार्क बियर लेंगे उसके अंदर आप अपने अपने मीट को पहले मैरिनेट करोगे, रिड्यूसेस 68%. वाई? वेरी सिंपल रीज़न, बिकॉज आप उसके अंदर पहले से मीट को काफ़ी अच्छा कुक कर लोगे, फ्लेवर भी आ जाएगा, सो इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू टेक दैट लॉन्ग टू कुक ऑन द थिंग. सो अ लॉट ऑफ डार्कर बियर्स, you'll see that in fact a lot of research that I've read says that it's going to reduce it anywhere between 65 to 70% के जितने chemicals हैं आपके मीट के अंदर कम बनेंगे if you marinate or you try to marinate अपना मीट जो भी है in a darker beer. It reduces by 65 to 70%. So I think it's worth definitely giving it a try, and of course the flavor tastes nice too. Another simple idea would be just, add a lot of fresh vegetables. Like I said, high in antioxidants, a lot of phytochemicals, vegetables, first of all, अगर कोई damage effect हो रहा है, vegetables are very high in antioxidants. So add, अगर आपको meat grill कर रहे हो, उसके साथ बहुत अलग अलग तरह के bell peppers डालो, just different colors, because every color has a different antioxidant in it, mostly in all the vegetables. So try to add a lot of vegetables. Even if there's some side effects, you can at least combat most of it by eating a lot of healthier vegetables along with it, so you get a lot of antioxidants back in your body. Okay, a very small thing is that जो आपके हमारे बारबेक्यू के जो ग्रेट्स होते हैं, the wire brush वाले होते हैं, keep checking them often. Sometimes they just try to fall off or they start falling off and they might just stick to the meat. So be careful with those जो brushes होते हैं, especially metal वाले. It's very easy कि हम उसे जब rub करते हैं कि they start to come off and they just want to stick to the food, and trust me, you don't want to be eating that piece of metal. So those were some basic ideas for you for grilling with the summer season. Like I said, it's a healthier way, but again, you want to make sure that you don't get any side effects of grilling by increasing the temperature to so long. So I kind of shared, good, which I'm going to apply myself too in all of my grilling processes. So please go and apply that so you don't get all the side effects of all the cancer-causing chemicals that do start to happen with a lot of grilling processes. Again, studio number 408-912-5565, 408-912-5565. Again, to mention, the Sunidhi Chauhan and the Ayushmann Khurrana show is coming up on July 17th, so do purchase your tickets. So again, Rashna's Wellness is a sponsor of the show, and we're definitely sponsoring, so I'll personally be there. It's an amazing show, so do get your tickets. And as per I've heard, a bunch of the levels are already getting to probably sold out, so make sure you do get your tickets on time. Go to sulekha.com/Sunidhi and you should be able to find, again, just sulekha.com Bay Area, you'll find the Sunidhi concert and get your tickets from there. And what else? Again, back to our show, studio number 408-912-5565. You're listening to Rashna's Wellness on Rashna's Wellness Show, Rashna's Wellness Show. And to get in touch with me, to get registered for any of a complete weight loss program so that I could change you, so you give me a chance to change you and make you a healthier person, I'll be happy to do that. And it just gives me an amazing feeling of satisfaction when I do change a person and say, well, Rashna, I have to hug you because I feel amazing. Trust me, that hug means a lot to me, because I do put my energy in my hard work and everything that I can think about in training a person and making sure that you do get the results. If it's motivation-wise, let's say I'll remember to text you, I didn't see you today. And I think those little things really keep people on track. And of course, when you stay on track, you see results. When you see results, you're happy, and that definitely makes me happy. So again, if you're looking to see fantastic results in terms of health, fitness, so that you are a different person, you just stop being tired. It's I don't know how to say it, but it's annoying to hear all the time, I'm tired. There's something wrong with this. Change it. I know, yes, there are people who just have, some deficiencies. That's a different thing. But in general, बस job से आओ tired हो जाओ, सुबह उठो tired हो जाओ, आप सुबह उठो आपको नींद आ रही है. Something's wrong. This is not the way the body's supposed to be. So please change it. Be a healthy and a fit person. Okay, very, very important. So again, to get in touch with me regarding any for complete weight loss programs, would be happy to talk to you and get you registered. We do have a complete 3-month weight loss program called Just Abs, which can be done either from a center coming there physically, or you can also do it remotely if you do not live to my center, close to my center. So again, a complete 3-month program called Just Abs for men and women is starting this weekend. To get registered, to get information, to talk to me, to set up an appointment, to come and talk to me, phone number is 408-320-8111, 408-320-8111. You can also get the contact information to contact me through my website, rachnaradio.com, RACHNA, rachnaradio.com. We're going to be talking to Parul. Hi Parul, how are you? Yes. Sure, go ahead. Okay. Weight on the arms, because what happened, the skin just gets loose. That means even if there's not too much fat over there, you need to start toning up. Do you do weight training? Do you do some weights, weightlifting, weight training? Not really specifically heavier weight, but do you do any weight training? Okay, okay. Um, Good, good, very nice. I'm glad you're doing that. Amazing. But also to mention, I think one is that I honestly do not recommend using weights. First of all, I don't really recommend treadmill, but especially with the weights having in a treadmill, your posture might not be the best posture, but that's something that you can see because I'm not seeing you doing it. So I wouldn't really recommend generally. But again, please watch your posture, just taking off route and mentioning that with the weights in your hand. Second is that I would suggest, I think 2 or 3, again, you have to look at your body. If 2 or 3 pounds is heavy for you, that's okay. But normally I would suggest at least something a little heavier, and without being on the treadmill, just really focusing on the arms and getting them, I would say at least a 5 or 6 pound, doing a lot of, different directions, it's, especially when you're doing weights, and especially with those, I think what starts to happen, in especially women, I think after 40 or 45, it starts to happen normally, that a lot of the back, which is the triceps area, just gets too loose. Because biceps are still okay, but the back of the arms muscles are just way too loose, and that's when it starts to show a lot more fat or, skin over there. Heavier weight, a lot of extension, like tricep extension, that means take the weight above your head, and kind of imagine you dropping it behind to your shoulders and back up with like a 5 or 6 pound. Yes. All different directions. Again, make sure that anytime, I always recommend anytime you're doing weights or any kind of weights in the hand, never lock your joints. That's the very, very important key, is that always as teach, whenever, let's say you're doing a weight going up, going side, going down, going backward, whatever it is, your elbow should always be slightly bent, whatever range of motion it is. And that was the most safest way of doing any kind of weight training exercises. So good. First of all, I'm so happy that you're 17, you're still keeping up. There are people complaining about this at 40, my dear. Very nice. No, I'm so happy that you're keeping yourself fit. Women are nowadays complaining this at 35 and 40. They barely had a kid right now. And so I'm glad you're there. Keep it. I want you to give me a call when you're 80, 85, 90. Keep calling me because I'm going to be doing my shows forever. But no, I'm very happy. But no, please increase the weight a little. Again, as per your body type. I will make sure that you reduce. Trust me. I'm very proud to say I've never had any person not see results in my center, and I'm seeing that live on air. It's people see amazing results. I will be happy to help whoever is listening to me, whatever your goals are. You take care, Parul. Thank you for calling. Keep it up. Bye. Okay, amazing. सीरियसली आई मीन कौन सुन रहा है इस टाइम मुझे 40 वाला जो भी सुन रहा है ना आई मीन सीरियसली अगर आप अभी से कह रहे हो आपका स्टमक आ रही है बाहर या नीज में दर्द हो रही है कम ऑन पीपल सीरियसली चेंज इट दिस इज नॉट द एज यू हैव टू बी नाइस एंड स्ट्रांग अप टू 70 80 85 so that you can enjoy your life, you can go walk around the park, you can take your kids, you can take your grandkids, whatever. Complaining about these things at 35 or 40 that I'm tired एनर्जी लो रही है, चला नहीं जाता, बैक में दर्द हो रही है, नी दर्द हो रही है, पैर मुड़ गया था 2 साल पहले, अभी तक हील नहीं हुआ. All these things are not right. That's just not the way we should be living our life. Please change it. And these things are, trust me, most of them are reversible. कुछ permanent damage नहीं हुआ है आपकी बॉडी में, in mostly all the cases. It's just that the body is getting weak. वीक का मतलब ये है, अगर आप you're going to keep giving in, saying बस मैं थक जाती हूँ, मैं थक जाता हूँ, मैं थक जाती हूँ, और especially women, मैं थक जाती हूँ. I mean, you're giving in to that. Body, again, I'm not just saying it just because you have to listen to the body. Let's say you have a special condition, so I'm not applying it towards those people. But in general, the body is made to be challenged. The body is made to be challenged. The body is not made to be just kind of follow what your heart or your mind says sometimes, saying, I'm getting tired. The body is just not made to be sitting and eating. That's just not the way it's made. Your body is supposed to be challenged. Your muscles are supposed to be challenged. Even your mental mind is supposed to be challenged. I think that applies to the whole, if I say physical strength, mental strength, and I think that applies, and that's what I do. I keep reading. It could be any direction. So don't always be just in your field. Look around, learn around, look around different things, learn. Don't just be involved in your own single small circle of, let's say physical fitness or your job, whatever. Learn around. It's very important to challenge your mind and your body. And that's when you're going to be a healthy person. It's going to be so easy. That way of living like this is totally fantastic. So change it. If you need any help, I'm always here to get registered in for complete weight loss program, so I could change you. I'll be happy to do that, so that you are a fit and amazing person, and you feel happy the way you dress up. You don't have to, suck your stomach in. You don't have to hide your flab and whatnot, so that you are complimented by the people around you, that you look nice. I would be happy to help you. Phone number to get in touch with me is 408-320-8111. 408-320-8111. 8111. Website is rachnaradio.com, RACHNA, rachnaradio.com. Again, आप अगर हमारी वेबसाइट पे जाके मैं कांटेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, उसके थ्रू भी कर सकते हैं. वेबसाइट इज़ rachnaradio.com. आप हमें फेसबुक के थ्रू भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, facebook.com/rachnaradio. And what else? Okay. So again, going back to our show, हमारा स्टूडियो नंबर अभी है 408-912-5565. Okay. Couple of things since we're just about maybe 10-15 minutes away from the show, I wanted to not start a brand new topic, but I would want to definitely talk about some very simple things, how to protect your heart health. Heart health is very important, and that's something, how, if you're looking for a non-drug way to boost your health of your heart, here are some very simple, basic, top recommendations. First of all, reduce, with the plan of eliminating maybe grains and sugars. Grain B. So you cannot, I think that time is gone, eat a lot of grains, a lot of healthy grains. Yes, you need grains, but your major diet should not be made of grains. And your major diet should not be made of sugars. It is vitally important to eliminate gluten-containing grains, especially, if possible, and also a lot of fructose from your body, if you want a healthy heart. Again, you can make the change, you can not make the change. If you're listening to me, I would say make the change. At least try to make the change. Some of the food should be consumed raw. Very important. So again, I'm just giving you some small, or at least not small, very important points, but some simple points to follow so that you can have a healthier heart. A lot of the portion, try to consume some of the portion of the food raw. Okay. Make sure you are getting plenty of high quality animal-based omega-3 fats, such as krill oil. Research suggests that as little as 500 milligrams of krill oil per day, improves your total cholesterol and triglycerides, and likely will also increase your HDL cholesterol to quite a bit high. Replace harmful vegetable oils and synthetic trans fat oils. So no canola oils, corn oils, safflower oils, soybean oils, none of them should be used for cooking. Absolutely not at all. Absolutely not at all. Healthy fats, olive oil, butter, avocado, pure desi ghee, organic desi ghee, a lot of organic eggs, free-range eggs, coconut oil is what your fats should be coming from. They should not be coming from vegetable oils. They just should not be. Okay. You need to include a lot of fermented foods in your daily diet. A lot of fermented foods. Fermented foods का मतलब है kimchi type. हमारे not that I'm just not talking about our oil-filled achar, pickles. But again, a lot of fermented oils. Kombucha is a fantastic fermented drink. taste amazing. I'm addicted to it. It just tastes out of the world amazing. They're all different flavors. Try the ginger one or the mango one or the mint one. You know, there are a couple of these flavors that are just totally out of the world. But try to include a lot of fermented foods in your diet. This will not only optimize intestinal microflora, it will also boost your overall immunity, and it's just going to give you a lot of beneficial bacteria. Okay, optimize your vitamin D levels. So again, heart healthy में भी vitamin D की बात हो रही है. So I think vitamin D is just pretty much all over, just all over. एनर्जी बढ़ाने के लिए, मेटाबॉलिज्म बढ़ाने के लिए, वेट लॉस करने के लिए, थायराइड को कंट्रोल करने के लिए, सो दैट आपको थायराइड कंडीशन ऑफ थायराइड और वाइटमिन डी तो बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड है, एक्सट्रीमली देयर कनेक्टेड. एंड यहाँ पर तब हार्ट की बात भी आ रही है. सो इफ यू वांट टू कीप योर हार्ट हेल्दी, यू हैव टू ऑप्टिमाइज योर वाइटमिन डी लेवल. सो प्लीज़ डोंट रन अवे फ्रॉम इट. अगर आपका वाइटमिन डी लेट्स से 1-2 साल पहले कम आया था, आपको डॉक्टर, एंड आई हैव हर्ड दिस ऑल द टाइम कि कई लोग शुरू करते हैं वाइटमिन डी, डॉक्टर ने बोला था उनसे बात करो, हाँ शुरू किया था बट अब तो नहीं लेते, वो बस छोड़ दिया. Vitamin D is something you need to keep taking it. Trust me, when we're not getting it enough, so you need to keep taking vitamin D. Again, based on how low it is, I would definitely suggest about 4,000 IU a day. Make sure I do have my own brand of all kind of vitamins and probiotics and also protein powders. अगर आपको हमारे ब्रांड के ऑर्डर करने हैं, आप हमारी वेबसाइट के थ्रू ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. आप हमें कॉल करके पिक भी करने आ सकते हैं सेंटर सनीविल से. हम आपको शिप भी कर सकते हैं. We can ship them wherever that you live. So again, we have complete a line of protein powders. They come in different flavors. They are all non-GMO protein powders. So no genetically modified organism kind of protein powders. So all non-GMO protein powders, only sweetened with stevia, none of the artificial sweetening at all, and they actually do taste pretty nice. Very good. They come in 3 flavors of chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Then we also have an lychee flavor of protein powder, and then we also have our own line of probiotics and vitamin D3 and K2 combination. Again, to mention, I've always recommended कि अगर आप vitamin D3 लेते हो, please make sure to take vitamin K2 along with it. नहीं तो vitamin D तो बढ़ जाएगा या नहीं बढ़ेगा, but उसके side effects बहुत ख़राब होते हैं. I'm not going to go into detail, but it's just a thing that just needs to happen, and I think it's time that doctors start telling people. I know a lot of doctors in India are already telling people to start taking vitamin K2, but I've seen a lot of doctors in this country are still not. I think it's time the doctors need to start getting more informed, and they need to tell their patients to start taking vitamin K2 along with D3. That's the only way vitamin D3 shall or can always be taken. So the ones I have, these are chewable, so kids can take it too, and they're a combination of vitamin D3 and K2. Okay, so अगर आप हमारे कोई भी vitamin order करना चाहते हैं, pick करना चाहते हैं, you're welcome to give us a call. You can pick them, we can ship them to you. फ़ोन पे order कर सकते हैं, website के through भी order कर सकते हैं. We also have a free app called Rachna Fitness Radio. Yeah, Rachna Fitness Radio. You can always download it through any of the platform, iPhone, Android. It is called Rachna Fitness Radio. उसके through आप हमारे products order कर सकते हैं, हम आपको ship कर सकते हैं. उसके through आप हमारे, in fact, if you're a part of any of the program, you can actually attend all of the classes, live classes, nutrition classes, coaching classes, workout classes, all through the app also. And of course, we have a lot of my videos, on my cooking and healthy videos that I post on my app also. So again, it is called Rachna Fitness Radio. Please download the app and enjoy everything that's in there. Okay. Again, getting close to, we have, let's see, we need to take a call over here. So let's see. So again, we're trying to get Nav on air from the Sunny V concert. So let's see if we can have it on air. But again, till then, we just have a couple minutes remaining. So let me just try to wrap up. हमारा studio number again है. I don't think I'm going to take actually any more live calls. But again, आप सुन रहे हैं Rachna Fitness को, Rachna's Fitness Show पे. I do come every Wednesday between 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. We do take your live calls, and हमारा जो phone number है, उस पे हमें contact कर सकते हैं if you need to get registered for any of our complete weight loss programs. The phone number is 408-320-8111. 408-320-8111. If you're interested and you're interested in for complete weight loss programs, you're welcome to give us a call. We do have a complete program called Just Abs. It's a complete 3-month course starting this weekend. It's a complete program that I'm definitely going to make sure that you cut off as many inches from your waistline and you have a flat and a nice toned abs. If those are the kind of results you're looking for, complete program for you, and I will make you addicted to living that way, exercise-wise, fitness-wise. The complete 3-month weight loss program starts this weekend. Just Abs for men and women. And phone number to get in touch with me, to get registered, to come and talk to me, or maybe set up an appointment. आप call कर सकते हैं 408-320-8111. 408-320-8111. You can also get all the contact information through my website, rachnaradio.com, RECHNA, Rachna radio.com, or you can always just go and Google Rachna's Wellness and it will come up. या फिर फेसबुक के थ्रू भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, facebook.com/Rachna Radio. So again, wanted to mention Sunidhi Chauhan and Ayushmann Khurrana का शो हो रहा है July 17th को. Make sure to get your tickets on time because before the show sells out. Okay, so again, complete 3-month weight loss program starts this weekend. Give us a call to get registered, 408-320-8111. We'll again be here next Wednesday. Till then, keep fit and keep working out.